Okay, this is installed here. It's a 1 kVA solar inverter system installed by Voltraenergy. This system is simply basically to power a one-room apartment, one-bedroom apartment, so to speak, with light points, TV sets, standing fans, laptops, phone charging points, and a lot more. It's expected to power this apartment for 18 to 23 hours. But as we speak, the client says she enjoys power for 24 hours. So that's a testament of our resolve to ensure that we provide quality and affordability to our clients. You don't exactly have to break the bank now to actually get basic power. All that is required is just a basic token that is fair enough for you to get this. Like I said, for freelancers, work at home people who require stable power to do their basic tasks on daily basis without having to feel the pinch of fuel subsidy and all of that. This is very, very basic. It can actually keep you going 24/7. Like I said, 247. Our projection was basically 15 to